Adding payment method to your Upwork account is a very simple thing, and in this video I will show you exactly how you can do it. So if you're new to the channel, make sure that you like the video, comment under the video, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any further updates. I will be providing the link to the Upwork in the description below so you guys can check it out. So what you have to do is to go to your profile in the Upwork section. So once you're in your profile, go to the Manage Finance option, and in the Manage Finance option, go to the Payments and Withdraw Earnings. Select this option, and once you're in the Earning option, what you have to do is to add a method right over here. For example, just go ahead and click on it. Here you can use different sort of methods. You can add a bank, you can add a PayPal, you can add your Paynee, and other stuff as well. So for example, if you want direct to your local bank, you can set a local bank account. But if you want like a wire transfer or for free deposit uh to the US bank, you can do that if you are from the US. So for example, go ahead and click on that. Here you have to provide the SWIFT code, and after that it will search up the bank on the international basis. So here, furthermore, you have to provide your IBAN number, your postal code, your bank account type, your branch name, your branch address, first name, last name, date of birth, customer ID type, then customer ID, then name on the account, then address, then city, state, and province, then country, then phone number. And after that, you will attest that the owner, you are the owner of the account, and you have the full authorization to this bank account. So that way you will be able to add the payment method to your bank account. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.